Okay, just a little bit of a legal, I guess, speech before we go on. I am not a realtor. I have no intention of being a realtor or selling homes in the villages or outside the villages or anywhere like that. I have no connection to the villages. I don't work for the villages. I have no connection with the developers. I don't know the developers. Everything that I'm telling you or I'm showing you is through my perspective, and I'm telling you information that was given to me, and I take it as truth. I could be wrong because I'm just regurgitating the information I'm giving to you. But with that said, enjoy the video. Currently, there are over 55,000 homes in the villages, and I say over because they are still building, and by the time you see this video, it's probably going to be much, much more. And this series of homes that they have include manufactured homes, which are normally in the northern part of the villages. You have Patio Villas, Courtyard Villas, cottage ranch type homes, again more in the older section. You have verandas, which are the designer homes that have fences around them. And then of course you have the regular designer homes. You have premier homes, you have designer villas, and you have the cottage villas. And when you go to buy a home, you have two separate types of realtors. You have the VLS realtors, which are just homes that the Villages listing service has, and only those who work for the villages can sell you those homes. Then you have the MLS homes for sale, which the people who work for the villages cannot sell you. It's only outside realtors that can sell you because it's on the MLS, the multi-list service, which is a national service of homes. So you may have to get an outside realtor like Robin or Ira Miller, and I'll put the information of those two in the description box below. And of course, if you want to buy a brand new home, you have to buy from the villages because brand new homes are only sold by the VLS or Villages Listing Service. A little confusing, but once you kind of get into it, you tend to understand that new homes you have to buy from the villages. Resale homes can be either VLS or MLS. You just have to kind of look around and ask them which realtors you can use. And usually the MLS realtors like Robin or Ira Miller can point you in the right direction. So very good to have them on your side. Now, when you do go to look at homes or actually purchase homes, then you have to decide kind of where you want to be. If you want brand new homes, then you have to kind of go on the south side of the villages. Although occasionally there could be a new one on the north side if a home was torn down in the really old section and a new one put up. But normally all the new homes are on the south side. Different areas are like the Finney DeSoto area, the Pine Ridge Brownwood area, the Lake Sumter Colony area, the Spanish Springs Southern Trace area, Orange Blossom area, which is one of the oldest areas. You have the Lopez Legacy Mulberry area, and then you do have some family neighborhoods. You have, I know, one old one towards the north side of the villages, and then there's a brand new one that they're going to be building on the south side. And those are more for people who work in the villages who have families, but I don't know exactly how they make sure only people who work there live there. I'm not sure how they police that, but supposedly that's what they're for. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it.
And as always, have a great day. Bye, guys.